Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. Working on a 2018 Model S P100D. We did a Escort Ci 360 radar system in here. So we did the front laser jammers here. We built a whole panel here. So it actually keeps like a factory look, looks more integrated. And then we flush mounted the laser jammers right in there. And then we did the radar detector in the bumper, right in front of the front bumper. It actually works through the plastic. And then in the back here, we basically built the whole plate. So this is all one piece behind here. It's like a whole tag frame. And then we painted these. We did it all in plexiglass. And we built little pods in here. So basically what it'll do is it'll makes it a little bit more factory and a little bit better than just sticking it on the bumper there. And then coming inside here, we mounted the pieces here. Sometimes we do them down in this little pocket down there, but the customer wanted to see it, so we just put them right here on the dash, kind of out of the way, and you can see them pretty good. And then up here, we flush mounted the little the sensor, or the flashing LED. That way it's out of the way, looks nice and clean. And this is the system here that we did, the Ci 360. So it's pretty cool. It actually jammed the laser so the police can't get a reading on your car, and then you can slow down and it'll turn back off so they can actually get a reading on your car. So pretty neat system. But if you're in Jacksonville, Florida, give us a call, 904-333-2322. We're on Atlantic Boulevard.